Okay, people, eliminator round today. Did you know that Swapnil Manish didn't want to participate today because he's a positive person, so he didn't want to participate in an eliminator match. But anyway, he will play CKC, of course, like all of you. And anyway, we have a full house today. So before we get into the questions, and this is going to be quick fire, quicker than KK's show. But anyway, Kjo's show. But before we get into the questions, we would like to hear people tell us about what they feel about the eliminator, how positive or negative they are about eliminator, and also who they're supporting today. Okay, or they can say that later. But anyway, so I will pass the pen to Mustafa. Mustafa, take the pen, please. Take.
Hi guys, welcome to the Eliminator. A very interesting match, Hyderabad and RCB. Not teams that you generally see in the Eliminator or qualify the play zone playoffs. So I'm really excited about both the teams. I am supporting RCB today because of Captain Kohli today, and I really hope that we win it. And I want to see the MI versus RCB match in the finals. That is what I'm rooting for. Sorry, Delhi Capital supporters. I just don't think it is going to be a very competitive match if it's going to be MI versus DC. Like you've seen in the last two games that they've had with each other. So I want to see an MI versus RCB in the final. Sharma versus Kohli. I do think that Kohli should open up the baton and take the authority in his hand and lead the team from the front. But it's a big call. I don't know how he's going to do it. But for today, I think it's going to be Bangalore Red. I pass the pen to Abhi.
Thanks, Mustafa. See, I like to quickly add two things here. See, sometimes breaks can rejuvenate a team, and sometimes break can break the momentum. And I really hope it doesn't affect both the teams. While RCB lost 5 in a row, this break would have probably helped them rejuvenate, come back strong, eliminator, go all out. And for Sunrisers, it's been a remarkable last 3-4 games where they won at a shot. They hopefully didn't want to break that momentum. So that's what I mean. Really hoping for a good match. Eliminator, big match. While from a support perspective, heart says RCB, mind says SRH. I pass the mic to Swapnil.
Okay, thank you, Abhi. Fabulous match. I don't like eliminators. I like qualifiers. I think that's what Anuradha was talking about. But if I have to support a team, it's going to be SRH. Absolutely. I love the team. Amazing balance. Very strong. I love the way Warner has been batting, especially in the last 3-4 innings. I love Wriddhiman Saha. I mean, people think he's a one-trick pony, but he's not. And we've got Jason Holder performing well. Love Rashid Khan, his wicket-taking abilities. I just love this team. In RCB, I just love ABDV, but I have found Kohli to be really, I don't think he's just performing at the level he wants. He can rather. So I like SRH's chances better today. I like the team. Thank you. And I'm passing the mic to Kaushik.
Hello, everyone. Little bit disappointed after yesterday's match, not because DC lost, but because Rohit Sharma didn't score. And I was hoping him to do really well yesterday. Today's match, I'm going with SRH because they have a better team balance, not relying on one or two performers, but relying on 5-6 performers at a time. That's reason. That's one of the reasons. Second is Rashid Khan. I love this guy. He's young. He's talented. He has a cool mind, and he comes with a plan which is something I don't expect from youngsters. I expect more exuberance from them, but he comes with a very balanced mind and uh, plays with lot of strategy in the game. So that is one thing. Manish Pandey, one of my favorite because he represents India as well. So he's again there. David Warner, I have mentioned in one of the previous shows that David Warner reminds me of Virendra Sehwag. So again, some of my top favorites are there in the team. So that's why. Uh, whereas if I talk about RCB, they are relying more on a Kohli or a De Villiers to perform, and that is something I don't like. When you are going in to play a team game, you should go in as a team, not relying too much on one or two players. A little bit sad that Dale Steyn is out of colors this year. I really loved him, the way he used to swing the ball at such a pace. So I really loved him. But anyways, I'm going with SRH today, and I hope they win. So passing this on to Kriti now.
Thank you. So I won't bore everyone watching this video with all my lectures on SRH and the players in SRH and the players in RCB and Falana Dimkana. So la 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 la. Sorry Mustafa, too bad. I'm supporting SRH today. La 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 la. And I'm going to pass on the mic to Rohan.
Yeah, so in today's match, I'm going to support Hyderabad, not because I live in Hyderabad, but the team is quite good. And moreover, if you see the past performances of the team in the qualifier rounds, so they have performed really well against each and every big teams in the tournament. And the second thing is David Warner has an experience in captaining the team in the playoffs as well. Whereas RCB is the, I think, the second best time they are having, and yeah. So I suppose that they will not be able to handle that. They're not prepared for that. So, and SRH is also a really balanced team, as we have seen. They have won the like two or three matches with 10 wickets in the qualifiers. So I think my support goes to Hyderabad, and I pass my mic to AB.
Did Abhishek just say CSK? Okay, we have two people missing from the screen. Abhishek Bose and Mayuresh. Where are you guys? Mayuresh is here. AB, have we lost AB?
Hi.
Okay, so Mayuresh, you're the last one to talk on. Oh, so let me tell you the format. 3 seconds today for each question. Okay, but before we get into the questions, we want to hear from you what you think about today's eliminator.
I think it's one of SRH is more strong. I think SRH will come what matchup. I think both, but I want to. What are you doing? Let's see.
I think network troubles. I can't hear Mayuresh very well.
No worries, we will actually get into the questions
Let's-
round, and I just wanted to tell you guys.
Yeah. You know my answer. I've loved biryani always, and today
You
I like
also have a
biryani's
sweet-
chances.
Yes, he did.
You also have a sweet tooth.
But I don't have a sweet tooth for Mysore Pak. Never
That-
had.
Mysore
Never
Pak
had.
is really sweet. You
Yeah,
cannot
it's-
have that.
Yeah. So I
Very-
if
very
you're talking
bad,
about
Anuradha.
Bangalore and
Guys, you're
sweet-
forgetting the Bangalore breweries. I think we should support.
Yeah.
let's talk
Bangalore
about
is my
Iyengar
support.
Bakery.
Beer versus
Iyengar
biryani.
Bakery.
Beer versus
Par-
biryani.
Yeah,
No,
it's that.
Paradise Biryani and
Bakery.
all-
I'm a
Iyengar
vegetarian.
Bakery
I don't
versus-
eat biryani.
Beer
Karachi
versus
Bakery and all.
biryani. Beer
Okay,
versus biryani.
let's get started. Okay.
Okay, people. This is the beer versus biryani contest today. Okay. Okay. So Mayuresh, we pick the pen when we talk. We get 3 seconds to answer each question. So you may edit this out if you want. But anyway, let us begin, people. My first question for you is, I've completely forgotten what the first question is. You guys know the questions, don't you? Okay. Okay. Let me not embarrass myself further. What will the toss-winning captain choose to do today? And I pass the pen to my fellow partner, co-founder, Swapnil Manish.
I was about to say I was thinking whether you're going to say partner in crime. Thank God for that. But I think big pressure match. Teams should win the toss and bat. We saw Delhi Capitals making that mistake yesterday. Don't make that mistake in an eliminator. Don't make that mistake in a knockout match. Win the toss, choose to bat. Batting it is. And I pass the mic to Rohan.
Yeah, I think the team winning the toss should bat first because they will pose the total and and create a pressure on the batting team. Sorry, bowling team. My bad. And I pass my mic to Mustafa.
So I think, like Swapnil mentioned, batting first and creating that pressure on the opposition team is very crucial. And plus, we have someone like Hyderabad who've just been bowling so beautifully, right? And Bangalore is a team that is not bowling as well as Hyderabad would be. So I feel like Bangalore would want to chase a target and Hyderabad would want to defend a target. So I feel like both the choices for both the teams are going to be not based on the pitch, but based on their abilities and the qualities of their team. So I'm going to go for, the captain winning to bat first. But again, it's dependent on who wins the toss. I'll pass the mic to Abhishek.
Abhishek, you're on mute.
Bat. And I pass the mic to Kriti.
Mute yourself. In my opinion, they should choose to field first. I think a lot of people here are going to kick me out, but nonetheless. And I will pass the mic to Mayuresh.
Okay, I think the team winning the toss is going to definitely chase. I think both teams prefer chasing. So I think both the teams, I think the team winning the toss is going to field first. And I think I'll pass my mic to Kaushik.
Okay. I think if I was David Warner, because I'm rooting SRH, if I was David Warner, I would pick to bat first because I have a very good, strong batting lineup. And my seamer Sandeep Sharma is doing very well, so I would like him to use that, use his swing and in the evening. And I also the bowlers that SRH has, they are both finger bowlers. They don't use too much wrist, so they the dew factor will not impact these spinners as much as it will impact say Yajwendra Chahal. So I think if I was, biryani always, always biryani. So if I was David Warner, I will choose to bat first and put the runs on board. And I will pass it to whom are we left with? No one.
Okay, let me also answer this question. So
may I just say something?
Sure, Kriti, go ahead.
It's very bad. You guys are giving choice between beer, Mysore Pak, and biryani, knowing fully well that I am a vegetarian. I don't need to eat biryani, and I have immense soft corner for beer as well as Mysore Pak.
There is a veg biryani.
There is a veg biryani, which is not a biryani. Honestly.
Yeah, it's a pulao.
It's a biryani.
It's an oxymoron. It's an oxymoron, basically.
It's a Moorish oxymoron.
Attention, please, people.
Coming back to the question.
Well, my answer is, I know you guys were talking about what they should do. I'm going to tell you what they will do. The toss winning captain will choose to chase. Okay. Anyway, question number
अनुराधा अंतर्यामी है.
एकदम बिल्कुल देखो यार भगवा पहना है. Question number 2 today. Which no, not which. What score will the SRH opening partnership put together today?
I need to say something. I think instead of SRH, it should be RCB, because we all know SRH will score somewhere more than 50. Yeah. So I think it should be RCB.
I'm going to you first. But anyway, I'm going to say still SRH. And my options are, I don't know why my options are this way. I need to check with my partner, but still. Okay, my options are less than 20, 20 to 50, 50 plus. And I pass the pen to Rohan.
Yeah. So as I said, it should be RCB, because SRH, I think if I do the trend analysis, it's 50 plus any day 50 plus. Because it's a high pressure match, and I think if everyone has watched Bahubali, there is a saying in Bahubali about Kalke as the army. They say that जहाँ भी जाएंगे ये तहस नहस करके आ जाते हैं. तो SRH ने 3-4 मैच में यही करा है कि ये जहाँ गए तहस नहस करके आ गए. मतलब they're not stopped like in front of any batting lineup. Like, and I'm quite shocked कि रिद्धिमान साहा जो एक मतलब जो he plays like a test player, but the amount of intensity he has bring to the team, like I think I am pretty excited, and I choose 50 plus. Yeah. I pass my mic to Kaushik.
Okay, so again,
everybody is forgetting the 3-second rule. Yeah, what is this?
it's going to be SRH all the way for me. So 50 plus, the opening pair will definitely score 50 plus. And I pass it to Rohan. Or did Rohan already? Okay, Rohan is done already. Let me pass it to Mayuresh then.
I'm going to go with a conservative number for SRH today. I think law of averages. So I'm going to go with between 25 to 50. And I pass my pen to Mustafa.
I have the same answer. I know that they will do well, so I'm hoping 20 to 50 के अंदर एक तो बैट्समैन निपट जाना चाहिए, because I'm supporting red today. I pass it to Abhishek.
20 to 50 today. There'll be a wicket falling in between. And I pass this to Swapnil.
Oh, clearly, even though Mustafa said he's supporting RCB, I'm supporting SRH, but I think the opening pair won't be more than 20-25, simply because I believe Washington Sundar or Chris Morris will account for, Washington Sundar has a good record against Warner. Chris Morris will bounce Saha away. So one of these two will fall, I believe, so 20 to 50 for me. I'm passing the mic to Kriti.
थैंक यू. अरे 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 पार्टनर उठ के भाग रहे हो. पार्टनर वापस आ गए. ठीक. I think it's going to be more than 50, because as you can see. वही जो है ना लाल रंग का, you will have to stick it on your mouth जब SRH आपका मुंह बंद करेगा, मुस्तफा. And I'm going to pass my mic to whom? Who am I supposed to pass the mic to? La 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 la. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Anuradha, आपकी बारी.
Kaushik, take the pen. Oh, Kaushik is already done.
Oh, Kaushik wasn't done. Kaushik wasn't done.
No, everybody is done. Everybody is done. It's up.
Everybody is done.
Abhi to.
Okay, it's my turn.
I'm passing the mic to Anuradha.
Okay, I would like to humbly submit that it won't be more than 20, even though I want SRH to win. Okay, sixes की बात करते हैं people. Okay, who will hit the most number of sixes today? Will it be Warner? Will it be ABDV? Or will it be MP Manish Pandey? जल्दी से बताइए और ये पेन थामिए. Kaushik.
So, I've been doing a lot of research on stats, and on this question, I decided I'll go with my heart. I want to see Avi de Villiers hit some 366s, all around the ground. Let's see that. And I pass it to Abhi.
Interesting. I'll go with the same answer. I think uh, between the three, AB de Villiers play for sixes. And I pass it to the RCB fan, Mustafa.
Thank you guys for the support for RCB that I've received in this question. I'm going to go with definitely ABD. Oh, sorry, I put it to Mayuresh.
I'll go with AVD. Sixes competition, it's AVD. I'll pass the mic to Kriti now.
Thank you. I do like ABDV, but still, here in this match, only to shut you up, Mustafa, I'm going to go with David Warner! And I'm passing the mic to Swapnil.
Okay, look, if AB de Villiers scores those many sixes, then how will my team win? My team cannot win. And I've also predicted that David Warner may fall to Washington Sundar. So today it is Manish Pandey day. It is going to be Manish Pandey is going to smash some big sixes. He's performed well. Remember in the knockout stage of IPL in the past. I totally expect it's going to be a Manish Pandey and Kane Williamson show today. They will smash the RCB's attack to smithereens. And AB de Villiers, he will fall to Rashid Khan today. And I pass the mic now to Rohan.
Yeah, I'll support David Warner because for obvious chota packet bada dhamaka. And he the amount of shots he generates from like power he generates in shots, I think it's immense. I think obvious choice, David Warner. I think no one is left.
No,
Okay.
I think Anuradha can take over.
Oh yeah.
Done. My next question, people, on all-rounders. Okay, I should also answer the question that I asked. Warner today.
You didn't have to. We knew that. You know, yeah.
But I could have said MP also. But anyway. Okay, my next question on all-rounders, people, 3 seconds each. I am going to mute you if you speak beyond 3 seconds. My question is, which all-rounder will make the biggest impact today? Chris Morris, Washington Sundar, or Jason Holder? And I will pass my mic to Mayuresh.
Jason Holder, he has got the most impact, and once he came into the team for SRH, they have won many matches. So I think SRH, I think Jason Holder, and I'll pass my mic to Rohan.
Yeah, I also think Jason Holder, because seeing Jason Holder, I get to remind one of the greatest fast bowlers of West Indies, Geol Garner. I think the height and the amount of fierceness he shows on the field is like immense, and he is also a good all rounder. He's a good batsman, lower order batsman. So I think Jason Holder is the. I pass my mic to Mustafa.
Thank you, guys. I think this is a very, very tough choice. I know I am an RCB supporter. There are two choices for RCB here. Okay, so I'm going to stay positive and I'm going to pick Chris Morris. I know he hasn't performed that well in the last couple of games, but I think it's a big match today and I hope that he performs. So Chris Morris. I pass the mic to Abhishek.
Just being described as Joel Garner, I will go with Jason Holder. And I pass the mic to Kriti.
Thank you. So I do believe that SRH is going to win today, and I really want them to perform well as well. You can't hear me. You can, right? Huh. But I want Chris Morris to perform well as well, because there has to be some stiff competition for SRH to really savor the victory. Mustafa. And I'm going to pass the pen also to Mustafa. Oh, Mustafa is done. Mustafa is done. Who's left? You are left, Swapnil. Okay, I am going to pass the pen to Swapnil.
Okay, thank you. I think it's a season of birthdays. We just had David Warner celebrating his birthday last week. Jason Holder celebrated his birthday yesterday along with Virat Kohli. And
Scorpios!
So I think stiff competition between Washington Sundar and Jason Holder, to be honest. I don't know if Chris Morris is going to play or not. But anyway, I'll go with Jason Holder. I think he seems to be the more stable one. He'll contribute some lower order runs and definitely take some wickets. So yeah, I'm passing the mic to Kaushik.
Thank you, Swapnil. So even I'm not sure if Chris Morris is playing today. And since Jason Holder, we have been seeing him for last 3 matches, he has been performing really well. Washington Sundar throughout the tournament doing really well. So being someone who loves watching the Indian domestic players, I would like Washington Sundar to do well. But if someone is taking my words, to pick a team, make a Dream 11 or something, or play CKC 11, then go for Jason Holder. And I think I was the last one in the list, right?
Okay. The next question, people, is how many wickets will RCB's Chahal and Sundar take today? Will it be less than 3? Will it be 3 to 4? Or will it be over 4? And I will pass my pen to 3 seconds की गारंटी कौन देता है? Swapnil.
मेरे गारंटी का क्या गारंटी? Anyway, okay. I know. I think these guys will pick up 3 wickets for sure. So 3 to 4 is my response. Yeah, I'm passing the mic to Abhishek.
Four plus. And I'll pass to the genuine RCB all-rounder. I'm saying the fan today, Mustafa.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. I want to say 10 wickets. I want them to really take all wickets. But not much pressure on fast bowlers. But I'm going to go with 4+ wickets for the spinners.
Well, 10 is also 4+, Mustafa, and you're so excited that you forgot to unmute yourself. I mean, come on.
Yes. I'll put the mic to Kaushik.
Thank you. You see, the RCB pace bowlers, I'm not sure if Navdeep Saini is playing today also due to injury. And Dale Steyn is going through a bad phase. I'm expecting these 2 spinners to really come up and perform really well. And I expect them to take more than 4 wickets today. 3 seconds done, Anuradhadi. Passing it on to Kriti then.
All right. I think it's going to be 3 to 4. Yeah, that's it. 3 to 4. And I'm going to pass the mic to pen to Rohan.
Yeah, I think it will be between 3 to 4. Keeping the past match into consideration, the spinners were wagged out like anything. Like they were hammered like anything. Yeah, I think 3 to 4.
Okay, somehow I feel the enthusiasm has died now. What happened, people? What happened? Is Mustafa the only person.
Mayuresh is left on this question, right? Mayuresh didn't answer.
Okay, yeah, sorry. I passed my mic to Mayuresh.
Apologies.
No problem. I'm going to go with less than 3. I think RCB spinners are going to struggle against SRH today, and I'm going to go less than 3. And I'm passing the mic back to you, Anuradha.
Thanks, Mayuresh. Okay, the last question. I don't know why I'm asking this today. I think I know the answer. There's only one exception in the group today. But anyway, let me ask the question. I don't know whose accent I'm doing. But anyway, let me ask this question. The question is, what's your pick for today? Is it going to be Hyderabad? Or is it going to be Bengaluru? Okay, so Bengaluru people are supporting Hyderabad today. Hyderabad people are also supporting Hyderabad today. Mumbai people are supporting Hyderabad and Bengaluru. This is very confusing for me. Anyway, the question first goes to Abhi. Abhi has decided to not even take 3 seconds speaking. He's just displayed his response.
RCB.
How did
I
How did I miss his enthusiasm earlier for RCB?
I said
convinced
heart says RCB and mind says SRH. I think heart won over mind. I'll pass the mic to Mayuresh.
My answer is going to be SRH, the only team to win the IPL, finishing outside first 2. So I'll go with SRH, and I pass my mic to the RCB supporter Mustafa.
I think you answered it for myself. I know that Hyderabad has been performing well, but I think this win for RCB will do good for India because Kohli will be confident in the India-Australia series. So let's give it up for RCB. I think RCB will win today. I pass the mic to Kaushik.
Thank you again. SRH all the way. There is no doubt. SRH is playing as a strong unit. They are all playing as a team, and I think Biryani will always score over here. So I'll go with Biryani and pass it on to Swapnil.
क्या भाई तुम इंडिया वाला कार्ड खेलते हो अभी क्या? हाँ मुस्तफा, ऐसा कैसा इंडिया का कार्ड खेले तुम? अरे अपन को लगता है ये देखो अभी क्या है अपना, अभी अगर एनालिस्ट वाला हैट हटा के सेंटी वाला हैट डाले ना तो भी SRH, क्योंकि अपने को बिरयानी बहुत बहुत पसंद है. अभी सेंटी वाला हैट हटा के एनालिस्ट वाला हैट डाले ना तो भी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग लग रही है हैदराबाद. बैंगलोर का तो आज मतलब क्या बोलूं, आज अभी देख लो तुम, ये इंडिया वाला कार्ड नहीं खेलने का, इंडिया वाला कार्ड खेल के इंडिया में अच्छा नहीं खेलेगा. अरे इंडिया में प्लेयर है ना, अभी सब अच्छा खेलेगा. देखो तुम, आज हैदराबाद जीत रहे है. और पासिंग द माइक कौन बच गेला है? कृति बच गेली है क्या? कृति, पासिंग इट टू यू.
Thank you. Thank you, Swapnil. I obviously SRH. Obviously. Before Anuradha mutes me, SRH. See.
I can see some red on that blanket. I can see some red.
क्योंकि हम दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हैं. I have all the colors. I also have blue. Does it mean that I am supporting Mumbai Indians today? No, right?
Yeah, they are going to win the tournament. Mumbai is going to win the tournament.
You are supporting them, aren't you?
I have a question. Why don't we have a green uniform? We'll talk about it.
Why don't we have what?
Because Pakistan represents
No.
green.
RCB
We are making it secular now.
RCB का 1-2 मैच हुआ है ग्रीन यूनिफॉर्म में, तो ऐसा नहीं. I think who's left?
Oh.
Mayuresh is already. Kaushik is left.
I like all the colors. And rather, you have seen my rainbow sweater, no?
Abhishek and
Rohan is left.
Kaushik and Rohan, right?
Rohan.
Oh, sorry. Passing on the pen to Rohan.
How आज हैदराबाद जीतेगा मियाँ, क्योंकि बैंगलोर की किरकिरी होने वाली है आज मैदान में. बैंगलोर वाले भाग रहे हैं ऐसे किरकिरी, सीधा जाके मैसूर पाक खाएंगे, फिर बोलेंगे कि हौले क्या हो गया रे. तो आई थिंक लाइक enough of jokes. So Hyderabad is a clear favorite. Like मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ, जो मेरे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है वो सारे हैदराबाद के फेवर में ही है, तो हैदराबाद।
ये हैदराबाद फैन आ गए अपने बीच में।
हाँ आएंगे, जरूर आएंगे।
कौशिक बच गया मियां।
Yeah, I'm done. I'm rooting for SRH.
तो अभी सिर्फ अनुराधा बच गई।
Yeah, I'm passing out mic to Anuradha.
Okay. तो इसी के साथ आज की सभा समाप्त करते हैं. I think all of us have lost it today, but I definitely have. Anyway, too excited for the eliminated today. People, come on, play CKC, predict a lot, have fun, because play CKC is unmute yourself and complete this.
Better than
fantasy.
It is better than fantasy.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.